Growing up as children, we were all sort of frightened of the boogeyman, who is no delight. And now that we mature, most of us outgrew that fear. But out the shadows of the dark, there's a brand new sphere. The whole entire nation, there's a new drug fad stimulation, just like designer jeans drew sensation. So does the new agenda of basic top media coverage barely exposed on the TV, in the books and papers and radio. The specialists that work around the clock to seek a cure while all the children of the future scream at the wall. A friend indeed is a friend in need, and they've never been your pal if we're trying to lead you to the basement, well of disgracing. We're making a scene, it's all about getting beamed, abused by the young, used by the old, until they lose their mind, their body, until they sell their soul. And after weeks they turn to freaks with no desire to bathe and no crave to eat. Selling the big jumbos, get fat and rich off the fish to think you dumbo. So just say no to everyone who dwelling it, from the one or the worker, the supplier who's selling it. I don't really know, but I've been told the drug paraphernalia is things to make you lose control. But what I know is that it's bad for you, so why on earth are you agreeing if it's all you do? Now, wait a minute. Rhythm section. Pause for a moment or two, please. Let me get this clear. In order to avoid protests out there, the mind is a terrible thing to waste. So let's get a grip on this depraved case. We gotta identify and somehow try to conquer the colors of the human eyes. You owe it to yourself and everyone else to just say no, and if you can't, to get help.